Something a little different here today. We got a fine specimen of American engineering. 2003 Chevy 2500, also known as the Shitbox edition. Now, the eventual plan of this thing is to tear it apart for a future project, but the wife has informed me she wants to start driving it temporarily. Who am I to argue with that? So in order for that to happen, we got to do some work to it. It has had a little blemish to the rear end, you could say. We're gonna get this fixed up, get some lights working on it, and then she can drive it on the road. I'm gonna get this in the garage because it is cold and windy out here, and I'm a wimp. Bodywork takes lots of years of schooling and practice to master your skill. I don't have any of that. We just make it work. It's just metal. I need to get the box side to go in so it's not hooking people on the sidewalk when she's driving down the road. But to do that, I gotta get the bumper to come out. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle, you know? I gotta do this before I can do that. I just gotta figure out how I can do any of it. We don't need those. Got a porta power. Gonna jam it in there and start pumping it up and see if it moves anything. For those that don't know what a porta power is, it's hydraulic power you can put anywhere. Maybe I'll be doing this. Well, this isn't working. Next. Wonder why that's not working now. That is really, really inconvenient. I guess option 2 it is then. There, now it's out of the way. This truck is rusty. How do we go about this now? Because it is under and it is out. I got an idea. Relief cuts. It obviously needs relief cuts. Follow the crease? I don't know. Tap it with a hammer? Just a little tap. It's almost like factory. I don't have a whole lot of room for swinging here. Put a nice Z71 sticker there, you won't even know the difference. At least it won't catch anybody on the sidewalk anymore. I could almost put the fender flare back on. We'll just tuck that in there. I think I can live with that. Should I weld the bumper back on? I feel like I should absolutely weld the bumper back on. We need more clearance. So let's keep adjusting things until it fits. There's a chance none of this was meant to fit this way. We're just gonna make it fit this way. Is it gonna look good? Oh, no, it is not. Going with it. You're about to witness some of the best welding in the world. I promise. Just wait and see. I made an oopsie and burned through. Oops. I know there are some people out there that'll be like, dude, you can't just leave it like that. And those people would go the extra mile and they'd skim coat this with some Bondo and smooth it all out and make it look decent. A little dimple like that, nobody's even gonna notice it. It'll be fine. I do, however, need to figure out some working taillights. I was really hoping it was gonna be something simple, like a cut wire somewhere. But I probably won't get that lucky. Does have some fancy covers though. Pretty fancy. Light status update. I have blinker, brake, and taillights all on the left side, absolutely nothing on the right side. I am not above tapping into the trailer wiring harness, because that does work, and taking those wires and running to that light. That may happen, but we'll just start here. Maybe there's a broken wire in here somewhere, I don't know. I need to find a section of wire that isn't, a section of something that isn't corroded, and I need to find a ground. That's what I need to do. Am I convinced my ground is good enough? No. No, I am not. I need to test my ground. That's hot. That is really hot. So my ground must be good enough. Why would we only have power to one side? Very, very interesting. I'm not even getting power back to the junction block or that side. I'm not gonna mess with it. The body's coming off of this thing. I'll deal with it then. I do have power back to that. I'm just gonna tap into the trailer wiring and zip it over to the right side there and have some lights. Is it the correct way to do it? Abso-frickin-lutely not. Oh my God, that is crusty. Gotta find my blinker. Which one's my blinker? I lost my test light now too. Oh, there it is. Still hanging up down there. The good thing is all the wiring here is all exposed already, so that works out. Ow, I just stabbed myself again. God damn it. There's my wires. Did you see me get those other lights working? No, no you did not. And that is because I'm kind of a hack and my battery died. Whoops. Rest assured though, they're engineered now to work. It is absolutely not the correct way to do it. It's just the way I did it. So the blinkers are different bulbs. Am I gonna care? No. No, I am not. This one's gonna have a blinker up in the bottom, up in the top. That one's gonna have a blinker in the middle. Whoops. It's only temporary. Whoa. The only thing I gotta figure out is how to make it legal. Because you're not supposed to have white lights showing to the back. Maybe I can get a red bulb. Maybe I can get some red paint and I'll just paint it red. I don't know. Maybe I can get an amber bulb. That's what I should go do. I should go see if I can find an amber bulb. Yep, we're just gonna... Yeah, we're just... Yep, Stay. This is gonna be a real pro job here. Oh yeah. Son of a... That zip tie broke. We're just gonna wing it. More zip ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zip ties. Now that I got all the heavy body work done, it's time to do a little painting. It's just spray can paint. All it's gonna do is make it look good going down the highway. You know, when that guy passes you doing 70 miles an hour, they think, oh, that's a pretty nice looking truck. But the guy sitting next to you at the stop sign says, ooh, gross, what is that? One of those kind of paint jobs. People pay good money for that kind of a job. Luckily, I can do it for free though. I suppose I better look at the leaking brake line. I don't want to, but I will. Well, the brake line is going to take more than what I have currently to fix. I got to figure out what fittings I need and go from there. So that's just going to have to wait. For now, I'm just going to keep filling her up. Seems fine. I don't see any problems with that at all. But this is what happens when you buy a truck that you plan on completely tearing apart. Then your wife decides that she wants to drive it a little bit because she blows the rear end out of her Jeep. And, well, we got to get to work, folks. So there will be more about this truck coming soon. Hopefully it'll be more of the let's just tear this crap apart nature. But I'll keep you posted. Hopefully you learned something today, like some awesome body work. Turned out pretty good. I mean, you can't even tell it's rusty anymore. It's perfect. Have you seen my rat rod build? Yeah, I got a whole series of videos on that if you want to watch them. I'll post some links down in the descriptions if you haven't seen this. Blowing big block Chevy Model A, gasser style. She's pretty rad. Thanks for watching.